Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog. Welcome to the tunnel of Lincoln as we cross into New Jersey behind the super slow Subaru who's not even trying to go anywhere. Here we go. Now we can go ahead. That was really hot in the tunnel. My bike got up to 250 degrees, which is pretty warm for this machine, because I was moving like 5 miles per hour. Anyway, I'm on the way to Nutley, New Jersey from Brooklyn, New York, and this is second part, because first part was me going through like Manhattan and dealing with freaking stop and go traffic for half an hour. And now this bit is a little more fun because we're just fucking cruising now. Oh, it feels so good, the breeze. I'm loving it. Huge fan of the breeze. Real big fan. For some reason my GPS on my phone is not like waking up, so the GPS still thinks I'm in the Lincoln Tunnel, which is okay. It's not a big deal. We're not too upset about it. It's totally fine. Whew. Feels so good to be moving. That tunnel was brutal, painful. So how's everybody doing on this hot, hot summer day? It's 95 degrees right now. It's legit just like hot summer day. We're in a full swing of summer now. No half-stepping. Part of me, I knew this was gonna happen, because now that I'm cruising and I'm outside the city, I kind of want to ride for like an hour, you know, and that's why I wanted to go camping. But I also wanted to visit my buddy's birthday party, so it's kind of like, what do I do? So I took the easier task, and I'm going to a birthday barbecue as opposed to a fun camping experience. But it's okay. It's totally alright. Like, I want to ride and I don't. I also want to have an ice cold beer, because I am pretty hungry. My buddy explicitly said you have to arrive hungry, and bet your bottom dollar, Miguel, I shall be there hungry. We got 12 minutes to go. Nothing at all. This is just a quick, easy part. Sometimes, you know, like you want like the twisties and like the special activities, special things. Oh, there's a monster over there. No, but other days, no. Other days you just want to cruise. Just like this. Oh, I didn't even turn on my headset this whole ride, which is alright. A little bit of wind in my eyes. Nice. Good. The bike is cooling down. It was at 250, now it's at 243. Up in 6th. Getting excited for my Canada ride. 2 weeks. 2 weeks from now, exactly 2 weeks from now, at this point in the day, I'll be halfway to Montreal, just cruising. Oh, this is so good. Beautiful thing. Man, I always do that. I gotta like do a list of things that I always do to myself. And I knew, I was like, oh man, it's gonna be so hot, I'm not gonna want to ride for like 3 hours upstate. And now that I'm riding, I could easily ride 3 hours upstate to hang out by a river, by a lake, do some grilling. But it's okay. I hang out with friends instead. Totally fine. Either way, it's a win-win. And I get to ride back tomorrow too, so there's that. Nice relaxing cruise. A little highway action. Can't hate on it. No pull around, so that's good. That was like a Rolls Royce or something, or a Bentley. Kind of wanted to get next to it, but missed that opportunity. I'll get behind this Beamer here, see what he's into for the next couple of miles. Only got 4 miles left, unfortunately, with high-speed cruising. After that, I'm there. Yo, the dude pulled a little wheelie there. Fucking hooligan. Oh. I was gonna let you pass, bro. No? You don't want to pass? Alright. Checking my mirrors, making sure there's nothing crazy happening. Any pow, but I am cooking at a good clip. Why is there traffic? Oh, come on. Frickin' 2 miles to go. Don't do this to me. Who are these people? Why is there always construction over here? Really? That was a nice little smooth blend. Hopefully we can get back up to speed for the next couple minutes. Hey?